another one. Oh, tornado watch. Let's go. Tornado watch. Yo, my first ever tornado watch. Let's go, my first ever tornado watch. Let's go, my first ever tornado watch. Let's freaking go. Never got in a tornado watch in my entire life. I thought it was another flow watch. Let's go. Finally. Let's freaking go. My first ever tornado watch. 7 a.m. Friday. Jesus Lord. Let's go. First ever tornado watch.
The following is a coastal flood advisory from the